Bwana asifiwe. Uh, Nitaomba ruhusa niweze kuchanganya ndimi ili tuweze kuelewana. So, on 26th February this year, the Constitutional Amendment Bill 2025 was gazetted. And this bill, if you remember very well, was aimed at introducing 3 new funds to our constitution, yeah? So the 3 new funds were National Government Constituencies Fund, Senate Oversight Fund, and National Government Affirmative Action Fund. So I won't go into details about what these funds really were, but yeah, these 3 new funds were gazetted, were annexed into our constitution. So the main message here was on 5th May to around 7th May, there was a notification of public hearings that was made, and people were invited at business hours to give their views on these bills. For Nairobi citizens, the views were being taken at KICC, and for Kiambu citizens, the views were being taken at Kiambu Social Hall. I had to include this because I realized Ruaka iko kwa boundary, iko Nairobi side, iko Kiambu side. Kwa hivyo nilikuwa nataka kuuliza, how many among us went to give their views about this bill? So as you can see, si wengi wetu ambao tuliweza kuenda huko kupeana our views about these bills, yeah? So why have I brought up the issue about bills kwa kanisa? The reason why I've done this is because it is part of our objectives as GPRC. I know you're wondering how. I'm going to explain. However, I was able to get my hands on the Presbyterian Constitution, courtesy of our chair, thank you. And in this constitution, the objectives of GPRC are to justice, to take appropriate action after studying socio-economic and political issues likely to affect the community, and to equip members of church on government policies in order to make positive contribution to implementing justice. We are also to challenge Kenyan society from standards expected of a just society, and we are supposed to act as the conscience of the society. Kwa hivyo, when I remember the events of 18th June 2024 and 25th June 2024, these were the dates when demonstrations happened in Nairobi County. You know, I'm so why, because there were casualties and there were a lot of things that happened. But I'm not here to talk about demonstrations. I'm here to talk about why this bill was important. So, in order to fulfill our objectives as JPRC, that is to equip members on charge of the church on government policies and to challenge the Kenyan society whenever it departs from standards, I feel like it is our work as the JPRC when such bills are gazetted, and to urge you people to take steps and take measures to participate in the governance of our country, Because I think sparing time to go to KICC to give your views on a bill is way better than, marching on the streets, Yeah, that is my message for today.